Welcome to this safety talk. Today we are diving into an important topic for our machine safety products: how to configure the most powerful Sentry safety relays. Whether you are setting up a new safety function or troubleshooting an existing, this will help you understand how to navigate the menu and ensure a safe operation. We'll walk through how to choose a preset configuration, perform a factory reset, set up a custom configuration, check system status and error logs. The Sentry range of safety relays consists of several models, from simple expansion relays and single function models to advanced safety timers and universal safety relays. The most powerful models have a display on the front that simplifies configuration and can show extensive error messages. For this demo, we will use the Universal Safety Relay USR22, but the same principle applies for USR10 and TSR10. Apart from the display, there are also buttons at the front. The top button is the increment button, indicated with a plus sign, and the lower button is the navigate button, indicated with an arrow. It also has a dual function as an enter button, indicated with a thick ring around this return symbol. For the demonstration, we will use this demo with an emergency stop, a safety relay, and a reset button, and two contactors. Let's get started. When you power up the relay for the first time, or after a factory reset, you'll notice the display and the mode LED flashing. This means you need to configure the relay. Let's start with a preset configuration. This is the fastest way to set up your relay if you're using a standard safety function. The preset configurations cover the most safety functions. The available preset configurations for your model are listed in the manual. On screen, you see the preset configurations for USR22. For this demo, we'll select configuration number 1, which has 2 normally open contacts, manual reset and an off delay timer. Use the increment button to scroll to the correct configuration. Once you see P1, press the navigate button to confirm. Next, we set the time delay. This defines how long the safety relay waits before triggering the output, and in this example we choose 1.5 seconds. Press the increment button 3 times to set it to 1.5 seconds. Then press the navigate button to confirm. When you are done, SCO is shown in the display. In case you are not satisfied with the configuration, just do a short press on the navigate button to go back to the settings. I will keep P1 and change the time delay to 2 seconds. When STO is shown in the display, press and hold the navigate button to confirm. Finally, complete a power cycle. Turn the relay off and on to activate the settings. The relay is now ready to use. The display shows P1, which means preset configuration 1 is active. Since we selected the manual reset, we need to press the reset button in order to activate the outputs. And when the inputs are triggered, we can see the countdown in the display. Now, what if you instead want to have a custom setup? Then you first need to remove the current setup by doing a factory reset. To do so, press the 2 buttons simultaneously and hold them down for at least 5 seconds. You will see the display and the mode LED flashing, and you can now reconfigure your relay. To enter the custom configuration mode, press the increment button until the display shows CUS. Then press and hold down the Navigate button for 1 second to select a custom configuration. Depending on the model, the menu options differ slightly. The available configurations for your relay are explained in the manual. On screen, you can see the custom configurations available for USR22. In this example, we're going to select the configuration number 1 with manual reset and on delay. Use the increment button to change the value and the Navigate button to confirm. Select custom configuration C1. Confirm. Then select the type of reset. Number 1, manual, and confirm. Choose the type of delay, number 2, on delay. Then press and hold the Navigate button for 1 second to enter the time delay in seconds. Let's set 5. Press the increment button to increase and the Navigate button to select. When you're done, press and hold the Navigate button to confirm the selected time. And press it again to go to the next setting. You have the option to enter a 3-digit password to prevent unwanted changes to the configuration. Press and hold down the Navigate button to enter your password. Let's set 1, 2, 3. Use the increment button to increase and the Navigate button to select. When you're done, press and hold down the Navigate button to confirm the selected password. And one more time to move to the last step. If you're satisfied with your custom configuration, press and hold down the Navigate button to store it. For the settings to be activated, a power cycle needs to be completed. The safety relay is now ready to be used. Press the reset button to activate the on-delay timer and the relay outputs. Once configured, you can check the active settings anytime. The display will show P followed by the number for the preset configuration, or CUS for custom configuration. To access the error log, press the Navigate button until you see log. Hold it down to go to the log list, where you can view the last 10 errors, which can help diagnose any issues. Use the increment button to step through the last 10 errors. Here we see that the latest error was error 51, which means external error, short on T1. To return to the log menu, simply press and hold down the Navigate button. And that's it! You now know how simple it is to configure the most powerful relays in Sentry series. Whether using a preset or custom setup, these steps will ensure a successful installation. See you at the next Safety Talk!